Hey guys, my name is Pushpendra and today in this video I came with a very interesting topic. I came here to tell you what is the difference in between weak and unbound declaration of the variable. So basically if we see into the older time, there was a time when there was a Sati Partha. If you remember about it, if you read about it, then in Sati Partha what happened? Whenever husband dies, then the wife also will go with him, they will also die. So nowadays it's not happened, so that is called Sati Partha at that time. So if we are talking about the unwound means the husband and wife is tightly coupled to each other. So that is the phenomena of iOS development, unwound. They are tightly coupled. And weak means if something happened to husband, then doesn't matter to the wife, they will able to survive. Okay, they will not die or they will not kill by themselves. So this is the phenomena. So if we see the weak variable is completely opposite of the unwound. Weak means it's loosely coupled to each other. If something happened to the husband class, then nothing will happen to the wife class. So it means that it will contain the optional declaration of the value, and unwound will not contain the optional declaration of any of the variable. That is a difference in between unwound and weak. I hope it's clear to you. If it is not clear, then again I'm repeating. Unwound is completely tightly coupled to each other. If something happened to the parent or one class which is dependable, then the another will crash. Okay, and weak means it's loosely coupled. If something happened to one variable or one class, then another class will be securely able to work. So this is the difference in between weak and unwound. I hope it is clear to you. So here you can able to see I have created a class husband with the name. Okay, and I have created another class. Okay, this is the today generation example where husband is loosely coupled with the wife. So you can see the relationship in between husband and wife is weak. Now unwound. If something happened to husband, then in this iOS development we can say it will crash the application, because we cannot assign this as optional. If we try to make it as optional, then it will trigger you the compile time error. And this is again a very important topic into the interviews. Interviewer may ask you what is weak, what is unwound, then you have to explain. So I hope it is clear. If you are looking for any of the specific video into the Swift UI or Android development, feel free to comment into the comment box. I will prepare the next video for you. Thank you so much. Have a great time.